In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use SORA 2.0 free for cartoon animation videos. Pixar style, easy start. First, open your web browser and head to Google. This is the easiest way to get to the latest SORA page without memorizing links. Using Google also helps you avoid outdated bookmarks or unofficial sites, so it's a reliable starting point every time. In the search bar, type SORA and hit enter. You're looking for the official SORA page associated with OpenAI. When results appear, check the link before you click. Look for a trusted domain, such as the official SORA site or an OpenAI link, and make sure your browser shows the secure lock icon. This helps you land on the authentic tool and keeps you safe from copycat pages. Click through to the SORA website and you'll arrive at the Explore experience. This is where you'll craft the idea for your animation. The magic of SORA comes from your prompt, so think of your prompt like a director's note. Describe the subject, the style, the motion, the mood, and the setting. For that Pixar-style look, mention 3D, cartoon, cheerful, and any cinematic cues that matter to you, such as lighting or the vibe you want. The clearer you are, the closer SORA gets to your vision. Here's a great example you can use as is or tweak to your taste. A vibrant 3D Pixar-style animation where a cheerful cartoon astronaut waves from a colorful spaceship traveling from Earth to Mars, passing smiling planets and glowing stars in a whimsical, family-friendly cosmic adventure. This prompt sets the tone, the art style, the characters, the journey, and the mood in a single paragraph, which is exactly what SORA understands best. Once your prompt is ready, click Create Video. SORA will start rendering your clip based on the details you provided. Depending on traffic and complexity, this can take a little time, so be patient and let it work. You'll see a preview when it's finished. If you're experimenting on the free experience, remember there may be usage limits, so keep your prompts focused and concise for faster results. If the first output isn't perfect, don't worry. That's normal in creative workflows. Adjust your wording to be more specific about colors, camera movement, character expressions, or pacing, then run it again. Small prompt refinements can make a big difference, especially for stylized animation. And that's it. You searched for SORA, opened the official site, wrote a clear Pixar-style prompt, and created your video. Have fun exploring different ideas, and keep iterating until your animation feels just right.